The goblet squat is an exercise for helping you to develop lower body strength, especially in your quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings. For this exercise, you'll need a single dumbbell or hand weight. Begin standing with a nice tall posture, with your feet slightly outside the level of your hips, your shoulders down away from your ears, and your chest pushed forward. Hold the weight at the level of your chest with your elbows bent. Now perform a squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees to lower your entire body down towards the floor. Stop where your thighs are about parallel to the floor. Then drive through your heels and the balls of your feet to return back to standing, squeezing your quadriceps and glutes. Continue to practice squatting down and standing up while maintaining a nice tall posture throughout the entire exercise. Down and back up is 1 repetition. Continue for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program.